Hi, my name is Devanshu, and in this video, I'm going to cover TweetDeck. TweetDeck is a tool by Twitter, and Twitter bought this tool in 2011 for $40 million. And this is a pretty interesting tool if you want to manage multiple Twitter accounts or multiple activities on any Twitter account. Then this is your tool. Since this tool is available for free, of course, a lot of people underestimate free tools. But let me tell you, I have seen a lot of companies have been using TweetDeck for their Twitter management. So Swiggy is one of them. I have seen Swiggy frequently. They have been using TweetDeck, and not just Swiggy. I have seen many other brands using it. Okay, so what are all features are there? Here you can see this is a screen that I have organized. I'll tell you how you can manage this. Here you can see notification window. There you can see trending for US, trending for India. What are the topics that are trending in India? What are topics are trending in US? Or you want to track any specific hashtag. Let's say I want to understand this what people are talking about teachers appreciation there. As soon as I clicked over it, here you can see what people are posting over Twitter, so you can manage from all the windows from here. Then if you wish to manage any specific column, then you have to simply click over here. So you have to just choose a metric that you wish to add. So you just click over user, and you would be able to add this detail. You will have to put users detail, and you are good to go. So this is how you can manage it. And one of the interesting thing about this is, let's say I am following this hashtag. Let's say it's my brand hashtag, or I just want to keep a track of what people are posting, but I want to keep a track of a specific location, which is my targeted location maybe. So what I have to do, you have to simply go to your location. There are other filters available as well, like engagement or tweet authors, etc. So you can explore it. So let's say I want to get tweets from let's say New York. Sorry. So or once I have chosen here, then here I can choose the radius. So let's say a 50 kilometer, or let me put it as 100 kilometer around New York. So now what will happen? Now you can see all these tweets from this region. So on the basis of geotags, so these account must have been using geotags. So this is how you can see over here, right? So this is pretty interesting. So this is how you can use it for social listening as well. Like if you wish to if you wish to track some specific terms, you just put those terms and you will be able to filter all the data that matters the most to you. So likewise you can have so many tabs over here as well. Like you just click over it. Let's say I want to know about COVID-19. I clicked over it, and there you can see all these updates related to so this was all these are real updates. These are real time updates, 17 seconds. So you can see lockdown is trending, what people are tweeting. So this is pretty interesting tool when it comes to Twitter management. So I hope you liked yeah, this tool. So you can use this tool to track all the major Twitter activity that really matter the most to you. And before I end this video, let me tell you one interesting feature. If you want to schedule a tweet with this tool, you have to click over tweet, and then here you can type your tweet over here. And if you so let's say I want to schedule it. I want to schedule it at some specific date. Let's say I want to do it for 30th, or maybe I want to put it on 15th August. At what time? Here I can choose the time. Once I have chosen it, and there I can click over it, and it shall get scheduled. Let me click over it, and it has been scheduled now, you know. So here I can drag over here what are the scheduled tweets. So there you can see it is appearing over here, right? Let me quickly delete it, since this is a random tweet. So this is how you can manage your Twitter account using this tool. I hope you liked the video. Thank you.